Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tool Shop, and today we have a piece of 2-inch round by 2-inch long 4140 in the fire right now, and we're going to start making a 5/8 fuller for hammer make. Starting to build up the tools for hammer making at my own shop, start trying out some new stuff. Getting a little fat, so just gonna switch it over. Starting to square it out to become a hammer billet. And that concludes heat number 1. Squared off the billet and put all the 45. Next heat's going to be putting the punch hole in it to start drifting it, and then putting in the taper to taper it into the tool properly. Just going to start punching the hole using a round punch, and then we'll come back and ovalize it with the drift. So, now that we have that inset a little bit, I'm going to take this out, drop in a little bit of pull onto it. Yes, this is the right size.
I need to punch right through that.
Yep.
Hope the power hammer's doing the work. Oh wow, that one.
And that is through. Alright, so let's just bring you guys in to see just how that hole turned out. I'd say it turned out pretty freaking well. So next heat, I'm going to bring it in, use the rounding dies, and try and pull out a slight taper onto the back end. And then we're going to be using the power hammer as well to pull it the lengthwise out, and then we'll be using... Okay, rotate 90 degrees. There. Yep. Make sure it's on the die, and then just keep going. Alright, so we're now putting the drift into the 5/8 fuller that we've been starting, so hit hard. Good, see?
Oh, we bent the drift.
We did.
Big issue.
That's the reason I love blacksmithing. If you don't have a tool, you make a tool. Always works.
Yep.
4 inch sides. Right there.
That way.
Alrighty, what a night, everyone. I had my friend Liam over as well. We made a hammer I punch right here, as well as a 3/4 inch hammer cheek fullering tool, which is this one right here. It turned out very well. I'm very proud of this. We had a lot of fun making this. We made a few other tools as well. Just swinging the hammers and everything was so much fun, and what a great night. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, make sure to drop a thumbs up down below and comment as well what you thought. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.